To download Logitech G Hub, start by searching for it in your preferred browser. The official Logitech G website, logitechg.com, should be one of the first results. Click on this link, and you will be directed to a web page where you can download the software for either Windows or Mac OS. Select the appropriate option for your operating system, and the download will begin. This process may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, you will need to run the installer and follow the prompts to install the software. After installation, you can start using Logitech G Hub. The installation process is straightforward. Simply click on the downloaded file, and a pop-up window will appear. From there, click Install to begin the installation process. The software will then be installed on your computer, and you can start using it immediately.